Hey guys, it's Tarek with Cyclone FPV. It's about 1:30 in the morning right now, and I'm getting ready to do some thrust tests on two different motors. I'm going to start with the Brother Hobby, the Deadpool. This is going to be the the R5 2306 2650 kV. And the reason I'm doing this one is because it is actually going to be on some of the quads. Here, let me show you. I'm making a new Deadpool line of quads. These are going to be BNF, Bind and Flies, HDs, and this is one of them right here. And so this is featuring the Deadpool R5 2306 2650 kVs. And we're running actually on these ones. Usually I did the last thrust test using 10 Gem Pan props, but I'm going to run the HQ 5x4.3s by 3s, and so I'm going to put that on there so you can watch this. We're going to set this up real quick. I'm going to put this quad down for a second, and what we're going to do is basically, since I've got two different quads and I've got another one here, let me show you. This is the other one. The first one I showed you is the freestyle, okay, and this is going to be the racing edition. So this is the Deadpool HD5, and this is the Deadpool HD220. All right, so you can tell, you know, the 3D prints, everything is custom on these, and one's running. This is running the Cadex Vista HD. This is running the full DJI Air Unit HD. But they're both going to be pretty awesome. We're going to see how much thrust they're going to put out. Then I can give you a thrust to weight ratio on these. And from now on, when we design quads here, that's what it's gonna entail. You're not just gonna get, oh, it's a cool looking motor, or hey, this is what it is. No, you're gonna get the exact math to see how efficient it is. Okay. Now, while I will do the full 10 Gem Pan props, I'm going to run the HQ on this right now, just because that's what I've put on here, and I want to see how it's doing. But then you'll get the data on all 10 of the Gem Pan props as well. Okay. So here's the motor that we're talking about. Pretty badass looking motor. I love this motor. So that's a Deadpool, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do a screen share here, or a split screen, and I'm going to show you what we're working on. So there it is, what you're looking at right now. So you're going to see me take that motor off, so if you'll just hang tight, it's going to take me a couple minutes at least, but I'm going to go ahead and knock that out.